Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris. We're going to discuss about the WinMerge. It's a text comparison tool from 8downloads.com. So right now, if you already downloaded WinMerge on our website, you will be able to see the graphic user interface of WinMerge. And then at the same time, I have already preloaded two text documents here, which as you can see, I can even compare them. So of course, if you want to open anything, just go ahead and open the program and then open the text file that you want, and then you can target two text files at the same time. So right now I'm here, and as you can see, I am actually comparing two files, and the yellow highlight here, which highlights the word, the letter I, also with here, these are what we call either a conflict or a similar text that they have. So as you can see, the word of is here, my. So as you can see, as you scroll down the text, they both scroll down, and that's the good thing about WinMerge. And you can really compare two text messages at the same time using this one. Actually, you can even use WinMerge if you are editing CSS files or HTML files, because you can even trace the difference and the errors very easily. On my next videos, I will show you how. And this is WinMerge, and this is brought to you by 8downloads.com. This is Chris saying have a great day to all.